Hi, I'm Fanny of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today we're going to look at how to book and collect your ticket at the ferry terminal. The first thing you want to do is find the official account on your WeChat. So search for Shekou Cruise Home Port. Unfortunately, this app is only available in Chinese, but this is what it looks like, and it does have the name of the account in English, Shekou Cruise Home Port. Once you're in the account, tap on the bottom left set of characters right next to the keyboard. Choose the top option, which translates to Fast Passenger Ferry. From this screen, you can choose your departure on the left and arrival on the right. Right now it's set at Shenzhen Ferry, so tap on either one and choose where you want to leave and where you want to arrive. Next, choose your date and tap the confirm button. Now it'll tell you the time slots and the seats available for either regular class or first class. Once you've chosen, tap Next. In this screen, you'll enter your ID information. First, enter your full name as it appears on your ID, then the type of ID you're using, the ID number, then it'll pop up for your sex and your birth date. Then put in your phone number and you'll receive an SMS message to confirm this. So enter the SMS message and press confirm. Then you can choose your ticket type, either adult or child. If you're buying a ticket for yourself, then just tap on your name. If you're buying it for multiple people, you can add another person's name and information by tapping the plus button. At this point, you want to double check all your information, make sure your name and the pricing is all right. Next, you can confirm and you'll get a confirmation number. And there's a time running for you to complete the transaction. Once you've confirmed, you can use WeChat to pay as it is an account on WeChat. This will load the WeChat Pay option. You enter your password to pay, and it'll bring you back to the transaction. You'll receive a QR code for you to use later to pick up your ticket at the terminal. I like to always screenshot the QR code in case I can't access the internet when I need to. So press this one on the left. So yes, where are you going? And put your